Okay, now we're going to go over 10.3, which is the surface area of a pyramid. Now remember, a pyramid has, well, in this case, it has a square base. The base can be anything, and the sides are always triangles, and the sides are called the lateral faces. So when you find the surface area, you actually find the surface area of the base, and then you find the surface area of each base. But you see that each of these triangular bases are the same, so I'd find the area of one triangle and multiply it by 4. So here we have a square pyramid. It is called a square pyramid because the bottom, oops, the bottom here is a square. Okay, so first I'm going to find the surface area. I find the area of the base, which in this case is a square, which is 5 by 5. So the area is 25 inches squared. And then I find the area of the 4 faces. Now, each triangle has a height of 8 and a base of 5. So the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So in this case, it's 8 times 5 divided by 2, which is 40 divided by 2, which is 20. But you see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's going to be 20, 20, 20, 20. So we get a total of 80 inches squared from the 4 triangles. I add that to the 25 inches squared. So the surface area is going to be 105 inches squared. Now, we're going to turn the page and it will be typed out for you. And you see we still get 105 inches squared, but we found the area of each triangle, which we found was 20, 20, 20, and 20, and this was 25. So together it's 105 inches squared. Now, this is a triangular pyramid. Why is this called a triangular pyramid? Because the base is a triangle. So now this is going to have a base that's a triangle whose height is 8.7 and whose base is 10. But then you're going to have 3 different triangles. And like this is 8.7. So this is 10 and this is 10. So now you're going to have 3 triangles who have a base of 10 but a height of 14. So there's going to be 3 of those. So the area of this base, area equals base times height divided by 2, 8.7 times 10 divided by 2. So that's 87 divided by 2, which is 43.5. And then it's going to have 3 triangles that have a height of 14 and a base of 10 divided by 2. So that's 140 divided by 2. So that's 70, but we have to do the 70 times 3 because there's 3 triangles on the sides. And the area of the base, so this would be 253.5 meters squared. Okay, so in this case, we do a base triangle and then we add 3 triangles from the sides. And we had the base was 43.5, 70 times 3 is 210, and we get a total area of 253.5. Now, this is extra practice, so we're going to do these two. Now, in this case, this base here is a pentagon because it's a 5-sided figure. That's why they tell you the area, because you don't know how to find the area of a regular pentagon. You will learn that in geometry. So what I want you to do is stop the video and try to do number 1 and 2 on your own, and start the video when you're done and see how you did. So again, for number 1, the area of the base they already give us. So that's 27.53. But now I have 5 triangles that have a height of 5 and a base of 4. So my area equals base times height divided by 2. So that's 20 divided by 2 is 10. But there's 5 of them, so that's 50. So I add 50 plus 27.53. So the 50 is my 5 triangles. The 27.53 is my base. I get 77.53 feet squared, and that's the surface area of my pentagonal pyramid. Now, this is a square pyramid. So the base is 7 by 7 or 49 centimeters squared. And I'm going to add that to 4 triangles who have a base of 7 and a height of 12. So the area equals base times height divided by 2. That's 84 divided by 2, which is 41. But I have 4 of them, so that's 164. So I have to add 164, and I get 213 centimeters squared. So see if you agree, and then the video will end.